Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch your normal TikTok account to a business one. Why would you want to do that? Well, let's say for example you're selling a product like what a coincidence, even a product like this where it's just a cat bag or whatever, and you want to sell it to someone. You will be needing a business account to do that on TikTok. So open up your profile and head over to the three little lines on the top. Click settings and privacy and click manage account. Then on the very bottom, right before delete account, click switch to business account. So wait for it to load. So here you can learn about your customers. It basically gives you analytics, access to exclusive sounds because you're a business account. You get inspired by Business Creative Hub and find out what's new. So click next. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So now you need to select what kind of business account you're going to be having. And that's pretty much it. Now you can edit your profile for your business account pretty much, and that's it from here. You're all said and done. Now you have a business account. Hope this helped. If it did, like and subscribe. Pretty simple, and that's it. Have a good one.